Welcome to Biz Analyst. Please follow the next steps to quickly set up the desktop app. Don't worry, it won't take more than couple of minutes. Open up Tally software and press F12. Click on Advanced Configuration. Enable ODBC server to Yes. And enter port as 9000. Enter Ctrl and A to save your changes and open up Tally again. Now go to our website and type bizanalyst.in, click on Setup. And then click on Download button to download the desktop app. Once you have downloaded, you will be asked to enter your email address here. If you have already registered before, then enter your email address and password here and click on Sign In. If you are a new user, then enter your full name, email address, create your password, your phone number and enter the 6-character partner code if you have come through one of our partners. Else, skip it. And click on Sign Up. If your Tally status is running, it will skip through this step. Else, follow the steps to enable the ODBC and make sure you enter the same ODBC port number here. In case you have any issues, please contact us. After you log in, you would see an option to add the companies from Tally. If you wish to add another company, open your company in Tally. Click the refresh button below. Add the company to Biz Analyst. You get a message, "Thank you for adding the company." Your data sync should start approximately in a minute. Depending on the data size, it may take 15 to 45 minutes for the sync to complete. After the sync is complete, you will get a pop-up notifying the sync process has completed. Once it is complete, you will see the elapsed time when it got synced. You can now start to check out the data on your mobile phone. To minimize this screen, click on Minimize button at the top. And to open it up again, click on the up arrow on your system tray next to the clock. And click on Biz Analyst logo. Thank you for downloading Biz Analyst and welcome to our family. If you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to us on help@bizanalyst.in. Hoping to do business with you soon. Thank you once again.